Have you ever wondered why so many people talk about Python? From web development to artificial intelligence, Python is everywhere. If you're looking for a powerful, beginner-friendly language that can boost your career or help you build amazing projects, then you're in the right place. And today I'll show you why learning Python might be one of the best decisions you'll ever make. Hi, my name is Williams, and welcome to this Python tutorial series. My mission is to make Python simple and practical for everyone. Whether you're a student, a beginner programmer, or even someone switching careers into tech. At the end of the series, you'll be able to write Python code confidently and start working on real-world projects. Easy to learn readable Python is known for its simple English-like syntax, and other programming languages with complicated symbols and rules. Python feels almost like writing plain English. That means you spend less time struggling with language and more time solving problems. Second, versatile and powerful. You can use Python for almost anything. Web development with frameworks like Django and Flask. Data analysis and machine learning with libraries like Pandas, NumPy, TensorFlow, and scikit-learn. Automation, writing small scripts to save you hours of work. And then I switch game development, IoT, and even AI research. In short, Python isn't just a language, it's a gateway to multiple career paths. For high demand in the job market, Python is one of the top skills companies are looking for. From startups to tech giants like Google, Netflix, and NASA, Python is part of their daily toolkit. So if you want to increase your job opportunities or freelance income, Python is a great choice. 5 large community and free resources. Python has one of the biggest programming communities in the world. That means if you ever get stuck, there are thousands of tutorials, forums, and communities ready to help you. Plus, Python is free and open source, so anyone can start learning without paying for expensive licenses. So why learn Python? Because it's simple, powerful, in demand, and supported by a global community. Whether your dream is to become a data scientist, a web developer, or just automate boring tasks, Python is the perfect place to start. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials. What says in the next video, I'll walk you step by step through how to install Python and Jupyter Notebook on your computer so you can start coding right away. Let's learn Python together.